the GST SQTD-LP drill rig. The SQTD-LP is a low-profile, trackless, double-boom drill rig. Its main function is to drill blast holes in the rock face. The drill was designed to be a safe, efficient, and cost-effective solution for underground operations. Let's have a look at the SQTD-LP drill rig's unique features and the reasons why it's the most revolutionary product in the underground working environment. Safety. Supported roof. The drill rig is operated from underneath a protective canopy and permanent roof bolt supports. This drilling method places the operator in the safe zone, even when drilling is done in poor ground conditions. The protective canopy is ROPS and FOPS certified, and the braking system SANS 1589 approved. Operator safe. Mechanical drilling is much safer and requires operating skills rather than physical strength. The mechanical drilling discipline creates a safe and stable rock wall condition, minimizing damage to the hanging wall and ensuring a safer work environment for the drill crew. Efficiency. Ease of use. The drill is Electro Hydraulic in design, which makes it easy to operate. Maintenance is not complex and can be done at any underground workshop or workplace. The skid steer mechanism enables the drill to effortlessly maneuver itself through tight underground spaces. Accurate drilling. The double booms are each equipped with a separate hydraulic power source. This enables the operator to complete rounds with one boom if the other boom is down. The drill's unique rollover mechanism makes the SQTD-LP superior when drilling footholes or lifter holes. The boom range allows for drilling in 1.6 to 5 meter high working conditions. Same depth and parallel drilling can easily be achieved. This ensures effective blasting in face advances. Cost-effective. Maintenance. Breakdowns are minimized because of the drill's planned maintenance plans. The maintainable parts are locally manufactured by GST, which minimizes lead times for delivery. Modern design. The double booms allow for reduced drilling cycles, ensuring that daily targets are met and maintained. The SQTD-LP's unique and innovative design makes it the most cost-effective underground trackless drill in the market. The future. When drilling is done safely, efficiently, and cost-effectively, we will maximize our yields and increase our profits. GST's reputable and innovative designs will continue changing the way drilling is done.